Hey you guys, it's your soft-spoken scientist. I'm so glad you're here. Let's talk about drawing a Lewis structure for CO₂. So this is a special problem because it requires double bonds, and here are the rules for it, and we'll do it together. The rule is you draw a single bond first because you want to start with the least amount of electrons and know what to do with the excessive ones. Complete octets on outer atoms, okay? So you go to central last. Check the center atom. Then, if center lacks an octet, then you're going to make a double bond. Here's what you don't do. Don't start with a double bond. One at a time. That's the easy way to get it. And don't forget to check the center atom. And don't think carbon only has 4 electrons total. Let's get started. Remember, double bonds are a solution, not a starting point. So, if you look at it, we have draw a Lewis structure for CO₂, right? So check this out. On a periodic table, based upon, if you look at your periodic table, you would know carbon and oxygen. So carbon has 4 electrons, oxygen has 6 electrons. That's something you would just get out of your periodic table. So, I have 2 oxygens though. So I'm going to take, of every oxygen, there's 6 electrons. Let's multiply that by 2, right? I got 12 electrons, but then I also have 4 electrons. So CO₂ has how many electrons? 4 plus 12, right? What's 4 plus 12? 16 electrons, right? So, what do y'all think would be the central atom? C or O? I mean, O is like think of it like a twin. Like, if you have a twin sister here, just making this up, and then another twin sister here, right? Probably put, I don't know, the mom in the middle, right? In the picture, family picture, right? So carbon would be in the middle, O would be on the sides. Kind of makes sense, right? It's a little fun analogy there. Okay, so carbon would be in the middle because there's only one of it. All right, I gotta just set that. And then oxygen would be on the left and the right, right? And remember, each single bond has 1, 2 electrons. So there would be another one here and then another one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 electrons that we already use among the 16. So, look at me stuttering tonight. Okay, 16 minus 4 is 12, right? So we have 12 remaining. Now it's time to add lone pairs to oxygen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, but carbon only has 4 electrons from the single bonds. That is not an octet. Each double bond contributes 4 shared electrons, and shared electrons count for both atoms. So carbon starts with 4 valence electrons, but it counts all shared electrons in its bond. So therefore, I know this is not correct. So I'm going to not erase, but I'm going to erase the double bond, the 2 electrons there, make it a double bond there, okay? Then I'm going to erase this one and make another one here. So what I really have is this, and this would be the answer. I really hope this video helped, and I want you to know STEM is for everybody, especially you.